Hi there. In this video, I'm going to review the Exerpeutic 900XL recumbent bike so you can learn the benefits and the drawbacks of this product and make a better buying decision for yourself. I'll also show you where you can get a great deal on it with fast shipping. Okay, so let's get started with a review of this product and kind of just share some thoughts on it with you. So the first thing that I want you to note about the Exerpeutic 900XL is that when it comes shipped to you, it actually comes in a partially assembled state. So that is pretty cool because when you open up the instruction booklet, you're going to see that there's all these parts and you're going to be kind of freaked out by it. But the vast majority of the pieces are actually inserted into the bike already. So that kind of makes the task a little bit easier and less confusing. Now, of course, you're going to have to go ahead and take the bolts out and put them back in, but there aren't that many loose bolts. So overall, the parts are there. You just kind of have to tighten things up a bit and do some partial assembly, I would say. Now, it took about 2 hours or so, and if you're organized enough and kind of have a game plan, then you can get the time down even less, but being in a disorganized state, it took about 2 to 2.5 hours approximately. Now, one of the issues is with the tension cable. You kind of have to, you may actually, in your case, I'm not sure, but you may need to get a wrench and kind of loosen the tension cable. This instruction is not included in the booklet. They don't tell you to do it, but it seems to be a necessary step. And again, it's something that with your particular bike, when you receive it, you may not have to do that. But I would check for it, and it can make your assembly easier if you go ahead and loosen the tension cable or loosen the screw for the tension cable. You get a nice little multi-tool, which is really handy, and it helps you complete the whole assembly that you need to do. So pretty much every single thing is included that you need to assemble it fairly quickly. And if you're good at this stuff and if you're organized, you can probably do it in about an hour. As far as the seat and backrest go, they're both quite comfortable. It's actually a pretty enjoyable workout overall. There is a computer, but it's very simple, and to be honest, it looks kind of flimsy to me. But it can tell you basic things like time and speed and distance and even heart rate, which I'm not exactly sure what the accuracy is on that. And also calories, which of course is going to be completely inaccurate, because if you're not putting your weight and you're not tracking with some type of sophisticated device, it's very, very difficult for these machines to give you accurate calories. But it's there as a relative estimate for you to use. With the tension settings, you can adjust the tension, and it goes from being easy to pedal to being really, really hard. So if you're looking to get a really tough resistance workout, you can definitely do it with this bike. The thing that it lacks is that you don't have programs, you don't have like hill programs and other different, workouts that you can do where the bike kind of self-adjusts itself and takes you through this workout. You have to do your adjustments on the fly and manually. So it's basically something that you use on your own. It's going to track your time. It's going to track your distance. But if you want to do different resistance levels and you're going to do like CrossFit style or interval style training, then you'll need to adjust. Now, the biggest downside that I see is being able to adjust the seat and backrest, which is actually held up by 3 knobs that you have to take out and put back in, all 3 of them, to adjust your seat and backrest, which is a little bit cumbersome. You can't quickly adjust this. Now, of course, unless you have 2 people that are doing like rapid style workouts, jumping on and off the bike constantly, then this isn't a big deal. But if the next person in your household wants to work out, it could take them about a minute or so to adjust the seat and backrest, which can be a bit annoying. But overall, with the price that you get with this bike and the quality of the workout, it's certainly not a deal breaker. The other thing I want you to note is that it seems that the max capacity is actually closer to 300 pounds rather than 325. So on the manual, It clearly states that it's that 300 pounds is about the max, so that's one thing that you want to keep in mind. And the warranty is 90 days for certain things and up to 3 years for others. So it's not a full warranty for the 3 years. The full warranty seems to apply for 90 days, and it's up to 3 years for other issues that may arise with the bike. But overall, the bike is comfortable. It can give you a great workout with the different resistance levels that it offers, and it's very, very quiet. And you'll notice that the vast majority of other customers are also stating the same thing about it being quiet. It does take a little bit more space than you would expect because it's a little bit wider than what you would normally expect for a piece of exercise equipment at this price. But all in all, comfortable, great workout, quiet, and at the price, it's definitely a great value. So if you want to get yourself a great deal on the Exerpeutic 900XL and also get fast shipping along with that, then go ahead and click the link in the description box underneath this video, and you'll be able to get yourself a great deal on this Recumbent bike. And you can even qualify for fast shipping by clicking the link in the description box below. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Hi there. In this video, I'm going to review the Exerpeutic 900XL Recumbent bike so you can learn the benefits and the drawbacks of this product and make a better buying decision for yourself. I'll also show you where you can get a great deal on it with fast shipping. Okay, so let's get started with a review of this product and kind of just share some thoughts on it with you. So the first thing that I want you to note about the Exerpeutic 900XL is that when it comes shipped to you, it actually comes in a partially assembled state. So that is pretty cool.